Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a 4-channel audio mixer and soundboard system. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing the PTX-15 from the company Phenyx Pro. And this is actually an audio mixer and soundboard system. You guys can use this to, have 4 different channels onto, you can monitor audio, you can, mess with the equalizer and, mess with the leveling. You can use it for studio recording if you want to. You can use it for audio mixing, so you guys can use it to mix music and stuff and do all that EQing stuff. So there's a lot of things you can do with this audio mixer. And it's honestly a really interesting product. I reviewed a few other Phenyx Pro products, but an audio mixer is definitely something new that I have not recorded. And we're all gonna take this into the DJ booth, and we're gonna test this out with DJ equipment. But before we get into that part of the video, there's a few things I want to explain about our channel. If you guys are new to our YouTube channel, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. If you guys did enjoy this video after watching it, I would really appreciate it if you guys left a like, as that just keeps me informed and keeps me updated on if you guys are enjoying this tech series. Follow us on our various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. And then lastly, our business inquiries email is CrewEliteYT@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message and we can potentially work together on a future product review, or if you guys need any further assistance with this product, you guys can do so by contacting me through that email. And if you guys also want to check out this product or get more information about this audio mixer, there will be product information and links down below in the description for you guys to check out, alongside with the link to make a purchase. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. As you guys can see, the box is fairly big of this product, and you guys can see I've actually already opened it up, so I've been holding it up this whole time. But you guys can see there's a picture of the audio mixer on the front of the side, and as I spin it around, you guys can see there's a few other specifications and details on the side of the box. So what I want to do is actually move this onto a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. As you guys can see on the front of the box, it just says PTX-15, which is the model we're reviewing. It's a 4-channel audio mixer soundboard system with digital USB/Bluetooth input and stereo graphic equalizer. And it features 16 different effects and studio monitor function. And this is from the company Phenyx Pro. There's a picture of the audio mixer. It's ideal mixing console for live gigs, karaoke, and stage performance. So there's a lot you can do with this audio mixer. On this side, we do get a few specifications. You guys can take a pause and read that if you're interested in the specifications list. So all that's left to do is actually open it up and actually get this audio mixer out. The first thing we get inside the box is the cable that you guys need to use and utilize to actually power up this audio mixer. And then next up, we need to actually pull out this audio mixer and also take out the user manual. In fact, let's actually take a look at the manual first. So inside the user manual, you guys can see you can get a lot of information and details about how to set up this audio mixer. And I do recommend, if it's your first time setting it up, please read this manual, or you're gonna have a really hard time setting this up. So make sure you read the manual so you don't have any issues with the setup process. So I'm gonna pull this audio mixer out now, and it comes in a styrofoam box. And I'm gonna put this box off to the ground. And I'm going to take off the styrofoam and also the bag. This is how the audio mixer looks like. There is so much. This is perfect for people who do live gigs, parties, events, who do commentating. If you do any of those things as I mentioned, this is a perfect thing to have. And you guys can see there's so many functionalities and controls with this soundboard system. We got 4 different channels. See, mic 1, mic 2, mic 3, mic 4. We got the actual, XLR cable that you guys can input in, or you guys can use the standard, I think it's 6.5 millimeter audio jacks, so you can either do a mic port in or you can do a line in. You guys can, you know, mess with the gain levels, the equalizer, so the highs, the mids, and the lows. FX send, we also have a pan balance, and we also got the individual levels for each individual channel. So channel 1's right here, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4. We also got solo buttons, so you can individually listen to those channels. You got the effects control, level control. We got the MP3 level because you can actually connect a USB-C port and actually play music through it. And there's also Bluetooth connectivity with this soundboard system. We also got a left and a right channel, so if you wanted to, you can have your main out to the same channel, or you can have your main out so it's like left and right, so you can have multiple speakers and different devices connected to it. And you also have a rec out for, you know, recording purposes. And then you guys can see we have our outputs level, our phantom control, and we also got our stereo equalizer, and then we also have a digital screen right here. So there's so many features and things you can do with this soundboard system. And I forgot, there's also a phone, so you can plug in your headphones and monitor this audio mixer. So all that's left to do now is, you know, move on to the DJ booth where we test out and demonstrate this soundboard system. Alright, so we've actually made it to the DJ booth, and we're going to actually test out this Phenyx Pro audio mixer. As you guys can see, I have two cameras set up. So right now you guys can see the soundboard right here. So I have it all configured and hooked up. So I'll be using this to show you guys all me like kind of configuring things. So you guys can see it's currently on. I didn't really manipulate anything. We have two channels plugged in right now, so you guys can see we use some adapters, and we have two audio streams from this controller going into this audio mixer as we speak, and then we have our two main outs going out from here. And I'm sorry if you guys hear any static noise, that's just from the speakers right now because they're not playing any music. So what we're gonna do is, I even plugged in some headphones into the phone jack of this audio mixer, so that I can technically get audio from this audio mixer. But you know, let's actually start playing music, and then, you know, let's also just kind of talk about it and also test some stuff out, and I'll show you guys how to use this audio mixer. So right now the music is getting played through the audio mixer, but it's coming from my DJ controller. So right now I can actually manipulate the audio level of this controller, which I'm going to show you guys. So right now, if I increase channel 1, you guys are going to see the audio of the music is going to increase, and if I increase the left, you guys can hear the music audio is a lot drastically louder. So now I can go in and configure all the EQ stuff with this audio mixer and not my DJ controller. So we're gonna test this out. We're gonna also test out some effects and stuff. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna increase the volume all the way up, and then not all the way up, but you know, enough so you guys can hear it. And we're gonna test out some of these like effects. So right now, I want to mess with the high equalizer. You guys are going to see the music's going to sound a lot different, alright? So, let me do this. And you guys can see now it sounds a lot muffled. So I'm going in, I'm configuring all the different equalizing settings right now. It's like, this is the mids. And you guys can hear the music sounds a lot different. Let's mess with the low. This is where you guys are gonna hear a lot of the bass and stuff. So let me be careful with this one. So you guys can hear there's like no bass at all right now. And now if I go the other way, we can hear a lot of bass now. Wow. All right, we don't want to shake up the whole house. We do got what is it called? EFX send, and we also got pan and balance with these orange knobs right here and the yellow knobs. So you guys can go in and change that so you guys can see. Now it's shifted to the right completely, and it's shifted to the left. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna actually mess with now is the stereo graphic equalizer. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is an equalizer in the middle. So I'm gonna increase the audio again, and we're gonna test out the equalizer. guys can see, you can go in and configure so much with this audio mixer. There's so much you can do with it. You know, the possibilities are endless with this audio mixer. This is how the audio mixer looks like in a from a professional camera. But you guys can see we have our 4 different channels right here. I know I showed this off in the demonstration, or I should say the unboxing part of the video, but I just want to show you guys up close again. So we got 4 channels: mic 1, mic 2, mic 3, and 4. We got 4 line inputs right here. We got our gain inputs, which is the red knobs. We got our equalizers, the highs, the mids, and the lows in the green knobs, and I can manipulate each of them from each different channel. We got our EFX send on with the yellow knobs. We also got our pan and balance with the orange knobs, as you guys can see. And then we have individual sliders or volume levels for each of the channels. So we got channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, effects, MP3 level, left and right. And then we also have a stereographic equalizer right here. And we can also see the levels of the outputs right here. And we have our phone jack. We have our phones, which is the headphones audio level. We have our effects send volume level, and then we also have our phantom. We have our program, so you can program all these effects. We got our record out right there. We have our lefts and rights, and then we have our sends and returns for our main out, and then we have USB playback for wave, WMA, and MP3 music. And you guys can use Bluetooth, or you can even use this USB-C or a USB port that they included with this audio mixer. But what we're gonna do now is actually move on to the final reflections and remarks, and then end off this video. So, one of my final opinions and remarks about this Phenyx Pro PTX-15 soundboard system. Honestly, there is so much you can do with this soundboard system. There's so many features and different things you can do with this soundboard system. 4 different channels. You can plug in many devices and control them all separately in the individual channels. You have the equalizer. You got all these different effects and controls that you guys can use and manipulate as you're using this soundboard and audio mixer. So it's just an overall great product if you do live gigs, you do DJing, you do all sorts of other things that are related to anything audio related. So I honestly think that this is a fantastic mixing console. But what we're gonna do now is actually kind of wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this audio mixer, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment, as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. If you guys did enjoy this video after watching it, I would really appreciate it if you guys went down below the video and hit that like button, as that informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. Our social media accounts and social media links will be down below in the description for you guys to follow to stay connected, or if you guys want any quicker access to reaching out to me, you guys can do so with the links provided down below. And then our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to work with us, or if you guys need some photo assistance, you guys can do so with the link provided, or I should say my email address that I just listed out. And then lastly, if you guys want to check out this product or get more information about this audio mixer, there will be product information and also the link to purchase down below in the description for you guys to check out if you guys are interested in this Phenyx Pro audio mixer. But honestly, this is a fun product. There's so many possibilities because I do DJ and stuff, so using something like this gives me a lot more accessibilities, and I can include more channels as I do DJing and stuff, and I can also record with this audio mixer. But that is gonna conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.